Today, let's make this sumptuous brown butter oatmeal chocolate cookies. You can pair it with any drink and use it as snacks for your kids to take to school. Trust me, your kids will love it. And it can also last up to 2 weeks in an airtight container in your refrigerator. So let's get right into it. So first of all, let's make our brown butter. What I'm basically doing now is melting the butter. So after placing your saucepan on your stove top, just melt the butter. So after melting the butter, continue to stir on it until it turns brown. But make sure to be careful, so continually stir on it so it won't burn out. So once it turns golden brown, I'll take it off the fire. You can see we are gradually achieving that. Continue to stir and be very vigilant at this point so that it won't burn out. Once, and this is how it should look like. Make sure to turn off the heat. So now that I've turned off the heat, I'm going to allow it to cool down while we prep the other ingredients. And for the cookies, I'm using 2 1/3 cup of flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, white sugar, 3 medium-sized eggs, some sea salt, baking powder, salt, and chocolate chips. So first of all, please note at this point to preheat your oven because we're going to be baking the cookies in a preheated oven. So now I'm going to add a white sugar, a brown sugar, mix them together. So I'm going to break in the eggs. I'm pouring in the brown butter. Mix together. Next, we're going to add our oats. Mix till everything is well combined. Next, we're going to add the flour gradually and fold in. And see everything is coming together now. So I'm going to add some chocolate chips now. Like I mentioned before, make sure to preheat your oven because we're going to be baking these cookies in a preheated oven. Make a round ball with it and drop it on our parchment paper. Scoop another dough to my hand, make a ball with it and drop it. I'll do so till all the dough, I'm done using all the dough. Make sure to leave a space in between them. Note that you can make any shape of your choice. So this is it. I've rolled it into several balls. I'm going to decorate the top with more chocolate chips. So I'm going to be baking it in my preheated oven for 10 minutes. And also note that the baking time depends on the kind of oven you are using. So this is it after decorating it with chocolate chips. See the outcome of our cookies. So I'm going to sprinkle some sea salt on it now while it's still warm. To give it that extra taste. So after sprinkling some sea salt on it, I'm just going to arrange them in an airtight container, place them in my refrigerator